My name is Ahmad Fayakimi bin Roshad.
My name is Muhammadin Shaiman bin Muhammad Azmi.
My name is Raja Ahmad Shah bin Raja Anwar.
And my name is Muhammad Azim bin Ismail.
We are from the group, the Losing Traders, which is from GB1144B. Okay, firstly, I'm going to talk about technical analysis. It is a method used to evaluate securities by analyzing statistics and generated by the market activity. And secondly, it focuses on patterns and indicators to predict the future price movement. And the third one is help traders to make informed decision on buying and selling stocks. And after that, right now I'm talking about company background. The company that we pick is Inari Amertron. It was established in 2006, which is headquartered in Malaysia. It's a leading provider of outsourced semiconductors assembly and test service. And the market significance of it is it's play a crucial role in electronics and semiconductor industry. And it was also a key supplier to the major tech companies worldwide and listed in Bursa Malaysia with a strong market performance and growth potential.
Okay, firstly, we go to the trend analysis of the Inari Amertron Berhad. So based on the chart, it shows an upward movement and indicating a bullish price action. The primary trend line is drawn from the low points in early June to the current levels in the late April. This line connects the higher lows, indicating a long-term uptrend. The trend line acts as a support level where the price tends to bounce back upwards whenever it gets close to this line. For secondary trend line, there are two secondary trend lines highlighted on the chart. These lines are drawn from the peaks to the lower height. The first secondary trend line starts from the peak in mid-August, showing a series of lower height until it intersects with the price level in late November. The second secondary trend line starts from the peak in early February, getting a series of lower height leading to the current levels in late April. We are using SMA 100 to identify the trend. The price has mostly stayed above the 100-day SMA, which is a bullish signal. The SMA acts as a dynamic support level, enforcing the primary trend line. The price crossed below the SMA during these secondary trends, showing temporary weakness. When the price dips below the SMA, it shows a possible correction or consolidation phase.
So for the chart pattern analysis, we have detected the potential cup and handle indicating a bullish signal for Inari Amertron Berhad. This pattern occurred during the period from middle July 2023 until late April 2024. Next, we have detected the exhaustion gap at 23 May 2023. An exhaustion gap is typically occur at the end of a significant uptrend or downtrend and indicate a potential reversal. It is characterized by high trading volume and a sharp price movement. In this chart, at the end of a downtrend, it indicates the change of the trend and lead to an upward reversal. Next, runaway gap. We have detected the runaway gap at 14 July 2023. The runaway gap occurred in the middle of a trend and indicate the continuation of the current trend. It is accompanied by moderate trading volume and signifies a strong market sentiment in the direction of the gap. In the chart, it shows a bullish trend showing a strong market contribution. Next, volume analysis. We have detected a breakout on 14 July 2023. It is indicate a valid breakout because the price moved upward with a significant volume. So the price have breakout at the price RM2.80.
As an analyst, we use 5 technical indicators to analyze Inari stock, which is from 3 oscillator and also 2 technical overlay. The first oscillator being average directional index with DI plus and DI minus. How to use this index? The pi signal is when the DI plus cross over the DI minus line from below. And for the selling signal, when the DI plus cross the DI minus from above. Based on the 30 April 2024 data for Inari stock using the ADX indicator, there is a whole signal because there is no crossover between the I plus or the I minus. The second oscillator being moving average convergence divergence or MACD. How to use it? The buying signal is when the MACD line cross the signal line from below, or when the histogram from red turn from red to green. For the selling signal, when the MACD line cross the signal line from above, or when the histogram turn from green to red. So based on the 30 April 2024 data for Inari stock, using the MACD, we can see that there is a whole signal because there is no changes in histogram or there is no crossover between MACD line and signal line. The third oscillator that we use is stochastic. How to use stochastic for the buying signal? When the K percentage line cross the D percentage line from below, or when the K percentage line value is below 20, it is considered oversold or a buying signal. So for the selling signal, when there is crossover between K percentage line on D percentage line from above, or when the value of the K percentage line is above 80 because it is considered overbought. So based on the data on 30 April 2024 for the Inari stock, there is a whole signal because there is no crossover between K percentage line and D percentage line. And also the K percentage line value is not in the overbought or oversold region. The first technical overlay that we use is Bollinger Band. How to use Bollinger Band? For finding a buying signal, we can look for the stock price that is hugging or touching the lower band of the Bollinger Band, and after it move away from the lower band, we can buy that stock because it is considered that the stock is moving away from the oversold region. For the selling signal, when the price of the stock is touching the upper band of the Bollinger Band, and then we can sell the stock after it move away from the upper band because it is considered it is moving away from the overbought region and the price is going down. So for Inari stock, based on the data on 30 April 2024, there is a whole signal for Inari because the stock price currently on the middle band, and also we can see that the range between upper and lower band is very small, or what we call it as squeezing. Squeezing happens when the price is going sideways, so we can consider that the price is not going above or downward. The last technical overlay that we use is simple moving average or SMA. How to use SMA? We use the double crossover method, which is when the lower period of SMA cross the higher period SMA from below. For the selling signal is when the lower period SMA draws the higher period SMA from above. That is considered selling signal. So for the Inari stock market, we can see that based on the 30 April data 2024, is showing a hold signal because there is no crossover between lower period and also a higher period SMA.
Inari Amertron Berhad show a rapid growth in strategic investment, and the company's dedication to sustainability and innovation has positioned it strongly within the industry, aligning with the global environmental goals while also enhancing in its market competitiveness. Throughout the year, Inari Amertron Berhad has made a significant move in expanding its operations, investing in new technologies, and creating partnerships that strengthen its long-term vision. Financially, the company has demonstrated resilience and adaptability, navigating market fluctuation and achieving steady revenue growth. Strong operational efficiencies and a commitment to continuous improvement support this success. Inari Amertron Berhad focus on integrating sustainability practices across all aspects of its business, contribute to environmental management and generates economic benefits. Now I'm going to talk about, in conclusion right now, it was in strength of the technical analysis is it was data driven, because for example it relies on historical data and patterns, making it objective and measurable. And it also, the strength of it is market psychology, reflecting on the investor's sentiment and behavior, which can be predictive of future movement. But there are limitations of it. For example, the first limitation is past performance based on historical data, which may not always predict the future performance accurately. And the second part is subjectivity. Interpretation of patterns and indicators can vary among analysts, which gonna be inconsistent. Throughout this whole assignment, we learned a lot. For example, we know right now how to write a company analysis, and which means that it can be helpful for our next SEM's assignment, which is also containing company analysis. And we also learn how to do chart pattern analysis, trend analysis, a lot of that. And we also learn how to work properly as a group members. And this shows that we can thrive more better in any kind of assignment if in the future holds.